Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain about filter function. This function enables the user to retrieve the required data after eliminating the unwanted content. First I am going to explain about functional arguments of filter function equivalent to filter. This function consists of three functional arguments. First one is array. Second one is include. Include denotes about row or column which user has to retain while considering the criteria. And third one is if empty. This functional argument is useful if there is no data to return the output, user has to mention his requirement. Click on cancel. Here I have some data in column A and B. So I am going to apply the filter function on this data equivalent to filter. First one is array. For this functional argument I am considering A4 to B14. So I am going to apply the filter on this data, comma. Coming to second functional argument include. First I am going to apply the filter on column A's data. So here I am considering column A's data. Next I am mentioning the criteria. From the column A's data I am going to filter apple only equivalent to apple. Third one is if empty. If there is no such matched records for the mentioned criteria, I am instructing the application to consider no data. Here we can find application return the output as apple hit 3 times in the mentioned array. Here I am replacing B14 with A14. Then application returned single columns data only. So it entirely depends how many columns considered while defining the array. Next let us see how to execute this function by considering reference. Here I am mentioning grapes. Right now I have considered P3 as reference in the second functional argument. So whenever change happened in the reference, underlying data will be changed according to the functionality. Here I am replacing grapes with mango. Next I am mentioning here ABC. We can find application returned as no data. Till now I have considered single criteria. Now let us see how to apply multiple criteria on single column. In column P I have mentioned my criteria. In P3 I mentioned orange. Coming to P4 I mentioned banana. So I want to extract the data for orange and banana equivalent to filter. First I am defining the array. Next I am using countif function. Countif. Coming to range I am considering the required data. Thereafter I am mentioning the criteria. Here I am mentioning as no data. Here application returned banana as output. It extracts if either condition is satisfied, means in the array orange doesn't exist, only banana available, hence it returned the banana. Here I am placing orange. Here we can find result has got updated according to changes done in input array. Now let us see how to apply filter function on multiple columns by using AND operator equivalent to filter. First I am considering the array, thereafter open bracket. Next I am considering the column A equivalent to apple. Next I am using the AND operator, open bracket. This time I am considering column B. Here I am instructing the application. Consider only when the price of the apple is less than 50. This time application returned 2 rows only, means data which exists in 9th row has eliminated by the filter function, because price of that apple is 75, which is greater than 50. Hence application didn't consider that one. Now let us see how to use OR operator. Copy the formula. I am using the same function, but instead of mentioning the AND symbol, here I am using OR symbol, means plus. Here application returned multiple rows after satisfying the mentioned 2 conditions based on the price item. So this is the brief introduction about filter function. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.